In today's laboratory world, compliance is the backbone of trust, quality, and continuity. Anyone claiming that it's just a checkbox is either lying or trying to sell you something. And before we continue with the video, let us know in the comments from which film we took that last line. When you hear LIS compliance solutions, what we're really talking about is how your laboratory information system, or LIS, helps your lab stay inspection ready, error resistant, and future-proof. So let's walk through what compliance really means for a lab, why it matters, and how you can make it practical. Labs operate under a barrage of regulations. Think HIPAA, CAP, FDA, 21 CFR, Part 11, ISO 17025, and more. Your LIS isn't just a workflow engine, it's your compliance engine. Without the right LIS compliance capabilities, documentation can go missing. Audit trails may be incomplete or unsynchronized. Data integrity might be questioned. You could face delays, fines, or worse, you can risk patient trust. At the end of the day, not all LIS solutions offer the same level of compliance support, making it critical to choose one that aligns with regulatory requirements. So now that we understand what compliance actually means for laboratories, here are 3 practical steps your lab can take to get your LIS squared away for compliance. Tip number 1, build strong audit trails and access controls. Your LIS should log who did what, when, and why. This is non-negotiable for inspections. For example, access controls, encryption, and audit logging are key elements of data security and compliance. Tip number 2, standardize workflows and documentation. Ensure your LIS enforces standard operating procedures, specimen receipt, QC checks, instrument calibration. Your LIS should provide configurable workflows that adapt to changing regulations. Tip number 3, choose a system that's agile, scalable, and integrates compliance features. Your lab needs an LIS that can keep up when regulations change or when you grow to multiple sites. A reliable LIS supports certification by automating documentation, standardization, and internal audits. If your LIS doesn't do that, you might want to consider an urgent upgrade to your system, or even changing platforms altogether. By the way, if you click that link in the description, you might find some solutions to what your lab needs. Because when your LIS firmly supports compliance, you'll see concrete benefits: fewer regulatory findings during audits and fewer sleepless nights, reduced risk of non-compliance penalties, faster turnaround times because workflows aren't stalled by manual checks, stronger reputation with stakeholders, customers, and patients. And this is where LabOS shines, because we bring everything to the table in one platform: scalable and agile architecture, streamlined implementation and ongoing support, continuous compliance updates, focus on outcomes. So if compliance is on your checklist, and let's be clear, it should be, your LIS must be more than software. It must be your compliance partner. With LabOS, you get exactly that: an LIS built to support regulatory demands, accelerate growth, and power your lab with confidence. Click the link below to make sure your lab is compliant today.